Hi guys, I am Divya of Divya Kanti Mishra, and I am doing my PhD in IIT Delhi. I have joined IIT Delhi in 2017, and after qualifying my CSIR JRF and GATE both in 2017. So, in this video, I am going to share my own strategy for the preparation of both CSI JRF as well as GATE. Uh, well, I always wanted to share all my strategy which really worked for me, like in last preparation. So, but unfortunately, I could not due to my PhD work. But like from onwards I have decided that I will share each and every strategy I had followed during my preparation. I will share with all of you, and I believe that those points of course will helpful to you. So as I had qualified CSR JRF, with AIR 41 rank, and GATE also with a good rank. So, but due to some minor mistakes, negative marking, I have such rank. Otherwise, I could have succeeded with a better rank. But the rank doesn't matter much. Uh, so. So now I would like to share all the strategy for all those who are in their BTech or masters, or some students who are like finished their masters but still they are preparing for CSI JRF and GATE, for their PhD career. So here I am, and I will describe the most basics and common strategy before going to start your preparation. And I think you all should follow those, because it already worked for me. That's why I'm very genuine to share this with you. So before going to start your preparation, just go through all of your complete syllabus, what are the topic you have. And if you are in masters or BTech, then please go through all of your topic, which you can also get from your classroom study, which will be helpful in your preparation. And those students who are preparing for it right now, they also should seriously go through with all the complete syllabus. And you all have to analyze last 2 to 3 years of question pattern, like from which unit more number of questions are asked, so that you can focus more to that topic. And also it will be helpful to select the crucial units for your examination. Then after analyzing the last year's questions, choose one reference. At least choose one reference from each topic, so that you will not be confused with more booky knowledge. And you will really learn deeply from one book, and it is more than sufficient. When you select one reference, then start analyze the topic very wellly, and then start your own note making. Because believe me, your own note making really helped you a lot. It will help you not only in your examination, but for your future interview session. After finishing CSI JRF or GATE, you have to apply for PhD in various institute like IIT, or IJR, NIJR, as well as IISc Bangalore, so or many CSR institutes. So for those interview, you have to be clear from the very basics. So it will be really helpful to you if you make your own notes, with your own words. Then revise all the notes. like if you complete one chapter, like, or if you complete one topic, then please go through each by each at least for 3 times, like line by line, so that it will, our mind is like that. We have to train our mind that yes, we are in this phase and we are going to learn this topic. So your mind will allow those new knowledge into your vacuum space, or space in your mind, and it will be really helpful for like during your question practicing. Like this, you have to practice, you have to revise all the notes at least in a continuous time gap. Like if you prepare it like today, then make a timetable that after 3 days you will repeat those again, and again after 3 days you will revise those again. So likely at least for like 3 times at least. And it will be helpful if you increase the number of revision time. If I remember, I had revised I think more than 20 times before my examination, and it really helped me a lot, because I was thinking that I know all, but somewhere during practicing question, some objective questions, I forgot the like very very small content, and which again I went back to those topic and revised again. So guys, revise yourself again and again. It is really crucial. Then after revising all the notes, please, like if you complete one topic, then please go through the questions asked in last at least 2 to 3 years, so that you will feel confident that yes, I am done with this chapter, and I have like learned this topic very clearly, so that I can appear in my examination as well. So solving questions, believe me, solving questions will make you confident, and it will push you more to show your potential during your exams, and you will do minor mistakes in the examination hall. And then continue this strategy, like deal your exam. Don't forget to revise the topic, don't forget to make the notes, don't forget to solving the questions. So please continue this circle or cycle of strategy, which will really help you to qualify this exam with a good rank. And if you have thought that I'm going to qualify this exam, then believe me, nobody is going to stop you from qualifying this exam, because this is not a big deal. As these all the competitive examinations are like this. If you train your mind in a better way, if you do smart work, if you do hard work continuously, then you are going to succeed definitely. So with all the very best, I am wishing all of you all the very best for your preparation. And guys, I am coming back with a bunch of videos, like having separate strategies plan for CSI JRF as well as for GATE. And I will also share my own PhD journey, how I joined IIT Delhi, and why I didn't choose other option, and how is my journey is going on. Like this, I will share all the knowledge with all of you. I hope you have liked this video, and if you really want to know about my own strategy which helped me a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, as this is my first video. That's why you have to subscribe, and then you will get my next video very soon. And I hope I have like my strategies will be helping you in your future. And with all the very best, go ahead with preparation. I'm there, and thank you so much.